Okay, so we made a little chart, and now we are going to fill in our little chart. Okay, so we're going to look at the remainders when divided by 2. Okay, just the remainders, not the number. So like, what is 5 divided by 2? The whole thing.
It's 2 remainder 1.
Okay, very good. And what is, you tell me what 34 divided by 11 is.
Well, it's 3 remainder 1.
Okay, so what does the remainder mean?
It's what's left over.
What's left over. Okay,
Yeah.
so, alright, so let's fill in our remainders when divided by 2. 0 divided by 2, what remainder is that?
There is no remainder because 0 is a multiple of everything.
Okay, 0 is a multiple of 2.
Yeah.
It's 2 times
0.
0, very good. So the remainder is 0. How about 1 when you divide by 1? By 2, sorry. What's the remainder?
Remainder is 1.
Okay, that allows me to fill in both of those. 2 divided by 2?
0.
0.
1.
3 divided by 2 has a remainder?
1.
1.
Then 1.
Then 0.
Then 2 more 1s. 0. And 1, 1. This
Okay.
seems like 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1.
Yeah, because...
Do you think that pattern will continue forever?
Yeah,
Seems
like it.
Okay. How come?
Well, we start with an even Fibonacci, then we get 2 odd ones, then an even one, because we start with these 2.
Okay.
Then even plus odd is even. Then you have 2 evens. Right? You have 2 odds, makes it even. Odd plus even is odd. Then even plus odd is odd, and then it's back to even.
Okay. So you think it will continue on forever?
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty neat. So that would allow us to say, very roughly speaking, what fraction of Fibonacci numbers are even, would you say?
It seems like about a third of them are even.
Ooh.
I'd say about 2/3.
2/3 are even?
Because you have 2 1s for every 0.
Okay. And what makes a number even?
It has to end. It has to be It has to be a multiple of 2.
Okay. So what fraction of the Fibonacci numbers do you think are going to be even?
Maybe. Well. Yeah, maybe about a third.
Okay. How come? How come you think a third?
Well, it's not going to be quite a half because we're not doing all of them.
That's true.
Not all of the numbers. Maybe it's then there's these 2 1s.
Okay. Is there any easy way, do you think, for me to group them?
Maybe in these 0 1 1 groups.
Okay, so if I group them in groups of 3, which seems like a pretty good way to do it, how
Yeah.
many are even?
There's only 1 even.
Okay, in each group of 3, and how many odd?
There's 2 odd.
Okay.
So it means it's 2/3 odd
And?
and 1/3 even.
Yeah.
So there's going to be these groups on forever.
Yeah.
And that means it's 1/3.
That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we move on to remainders when divided by 3?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.